Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tiramisu latte. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect, cafe-quality drink right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients, then move on to brewing and mixing. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create this rich, creamy, and flavorful beverage. Get ready to impress yourself and your friends with this delightful treat. To craft your perfect tiramisu latte, you'll need a few key items. Start with 2 shots of strong, freshly brewed espresso. Next, grab 1 cup of your favorite milk. Whole milk or oat milk works wonderfully for a creamy texture. For that signature tiramisu richness, have 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese ready. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for dusting and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a hint of sweetness. Optionally, a dash of coffee liqueur elevates the flavor. Now let's get to the fun part, preparation. First, brew 2 shots of strong espresso and set them aside. Next, gently warm 1 cup of your chosen milk to approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a stovetop or a microwave. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Finally, combine the espresso, warm milk, and mascarpone mixture in your favorite mug. The final step is assembly and presentation. Pour the combined espresso and milk mixture into your chosen serving mug. Then, carefully spoon the whisked mascarpone cream on top, creating a beautiful, creamy layer. For that classic tiramisu finish, generously dust the top with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Serve your exquisite tiramisu latte immediately and take a moment to savor its rich, comforting flavors. It's the perfect cozy morning or afternoon indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.